Hello everyone, my name is Nakash Ahmed and welcome to my channel Notch 365 Academy. I welcome you once again to my new video and I really thank you for all your feedback and for all your followings and likes on my previous videos. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and first subscribe to my channel and let's start our new video today. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you yet another video for Microsoft Teams, and I was thinking about some kind of a scenario. So, what I came up with was a project. So, because Teams is a workspace tool, and it can be used for project management, and it can be used for handling a full project, like for a school or a university. A teacher can create a team for students and they can all work together, collaborate together from start till the end of the project. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how this whole timeline goes on and what applications can be used in between them and how a project goes from starting till end inside Teams. Okay, so without further delay, let's start our video. I am inside my Microsoft Teams desktop application and I'm signed in as a global administrator or as a teacher, you would say. So the first and the foremost is by creating a team. So by clicking join or create team, click on create team. We will first create a team. So we have several options here because I'm in academic plan, Office 365 A1. So that is why I have these options. But if you have enterprise plan, then you will be getting some other options. So let's start with this plan. Let's take a class and let's create a project team. Let's name it, what do you say? Okay, let's make it the COVID-19 project. Okay, you can add any description that you want or you can use any existing template, but let's forget about it. Click next. Now you can add teachers or students right away from making a team, but I'm going to skip it for now. I'm going to do that later. Okay, let's skip it for now. So we have our team here. Okay, and now what would you do in your team? You have a journal channel by default. You have a SharePoint library, which you can share files in. You have a class notebook. You have assignments and you have grades where teacher can grade. So these all you get by default, and you also get a group shared mailbox. Okay, so let's make some channels here first because we do not need journal channel for everything. We need to make it a segregation of our task or our project or our deliverables. So let's make some channels. Click here and click add channel. uh, because it's a project, so we need to make it quite segregated and quite distributed so that everyone will be able to see where this channel is supposed to be. So let's take deliverables first. So in deliverables, what we are going to talk about, we will be posting our deliverables, and we can also plan and collaborate on our deliverables when we can have it, and what are the due ones. Okay, so make it as a standard or you can even have it as a private. Let's make it a private because I'm just talking about this project, so let's make it private. Click next. Let's keep it for now. So you can see the log sign here because it's a private channel. Let's create another one. Let's make it a schedule. So in the schedule, we will be having a calendar for our project timeline so that everyone will be able to see it inside the team. Okay, let's make another one. Let's have it, what do you say, planning. So in this, we will be planning some tasks. We will be assigning some tasks and people are going to collaborate on the tasks actually. So let's have it a planning. Let's add another channel for for what? For reports. Okay, like this. So in the reports, we will be having all the reports, how they will be carried out for this project, and who will be the responsible for reports. Okay, like this. And in the let's add one more channel last. It's what do you say, sunset. So in the sunset, we will be when the project is going to finish, we will be just finishing up all the things and winding up all the tasks. So we will be planning how to release our project and how to share it with our team members and how to share it with our school principal or a manager. Okay, so we have our channels here. Everything is all set up, the channels are here. So let's, in the journal channel, we can simply just take it like a journal conversation for about this project. And the deliverables, let's talk about deliverables first. So we can have a conversation, and we can post it here, like how things are going to work from the deliverables. So what I'm going to show you here, we can add uh, a schedule for our deliverables, a calendar you can say. So you can see I'm in my files tab here, and it's a SharePoint library actually. So all you have to do is just simply click on open in SharePoint. So it will take me to my SharePoint. So you can see this is a SharePoint of my team. Okay, the COVID-19 project documents. We have a document library. So you can see it is this folder is connected with Microsoft into a channel in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so all you have to do is click on this cog sign, click on add an app. Now you can search for calendar. Where is it? Okay, let's search it. Okay, we have calendar. So we can add a calendar for our project. Okay, like this. Okay, you can see this calendar has been added, event list. So click on this. So it will open up a calendar for me. So you can see a nice calendar. We have it here. So all you have to do is just simply copy this and go back to your teams. Click on plus tab, search for website. Yes, here is it. Paste the link here. Okay. Uh, deliverables schedule. Okay. So all you have to do this, just add that link to this and you will be seeing, okay, it's asking me again to sign in. So let's sign in. Okay. So now I have signed in. Here you go. You have your calendar here. So all the people in the team or in this channel would be able to collaborate on the deliverables. They can assign the task. They can see which deliverable is due to us and which deliverable is not. So they can just plan their tasks accordingly. Okay. Let's move to another channel. We have planning here. So in the planning, I told you before that we will be considering the plans, what the planning for the tasks are. So here I'm going to suggest adding Microsoft Planner, because the planner is actually used for assigning the tasks for the project management. Okay, so you can create a new plan here. Okay, let's save it. So we have our tasks, we have a buckets here, so we can just add our tasks here right away. Okay, like gather material. Okay, just like this, you can set a due date. You can assign to yourself or anyone in the team. Click add task. You can simply do this for all the tasks, and you can even create new buckets. You can watch my video for planner. I've already uploaded it, so you will be able to understand how to use planner. Okay. If you switch on the charts, you will see a beautiful charts here for your team members to understand where we are standing in this project. Okay. So this was the planning. So you can plan your tasks here for this project. For the report section, we can have what you say a Power BI. Okay. So a Power BI would be a good one for this. If you have some kind of data source like in an Excel sheet or even a SharePoint list you have, so you can click on Power Apps. So I'll create it on my own. Workspace would be okay. Let's take this one. I think there's something wrong with it. Please try again later. Let me add again. So Power BI is actually used for making reports and dashboards, and it's a data analytics tool. Okay, let's make it here like this. So it's setting up my Power BI tab here. So you can see the Power BI tab is loading. So it will pull up the reports and data if they are any. So what teams can do it, team members can just go in this channel and they can see what report has been telling us and where the project is going on. So the managers or even the team members can see the reports of the project. Okay. So this is how reports channel can work for the project schedule. Now come to the schedule. Schedule can once again have a calendar just like we added in the deliverables, or you can add any third party calendar you can, or any shape and list you can also have it. But I would also really prefer to go with the calendar once again. Okay, just like I showed you in the team in the deliverables. In the deliverables calendar, you were only having the dates for you will only have the dates for the deliverable where all the dates posting, but you can create a new calendar for schedule only. So you can schedule all the tasks and schedule all the things, so your team members would be able to see it in the sunset. So in the sunset you can simply add any shape and page, for your policies for the sunset of the project for anything. Okay. Or you can simply create a PowerPoint or PDF, you can say. So if I have it in the conversation, I can also paste it here like this. I can simply post on other channel as well. Let's say in this COVID-19 project, let me select all the channels, click update. Let's make an announcement. You can also choose an illustration here. Okay, let's make it this one. And also we can add a heading. Okay, just like this. So it will be an announcement for this in this channel, and it will be posted on the other channel as well, and everyone can reply on it. Okay, so just click on this send button. You will be sending this message to everyone. So you can see this on the top corner announcement here. So if I go to any other channel, it is also here. Okay, so this is how you can work here in the complete project. And when that project is finished, all you have to do is to archive the team or delete the team. Okay, just like this. But one important thing, I have not done it yet because I haven't added the members. So why I didn't added the members before? Because as a manager, as a project manager, I'm taking care of the project. So I have set up everything, the foundations. Now it's time to add members. Okay, so now we can add our members simply. Okay, just like this, and also the student partner. If I go to the teachers, I can have Megan, who else? Okay, just let Megan. So teachers are added, students are added. Okay, so you can see they're all added here. I can just simply close and go back to my manage team and see if they are added. Yes, they are added. Okay, so this is how it's done. So this is how it's done. And I have a whole project set up now. So my team members would be now be getting an email that you have been added to this project and you are going to do all the project things. Okay. So anyways, this was all from this video. I hope you have liked it. And if you have any comments, any suggestion, any video recommendation, please go ahead and drop a comment. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my previous videos from Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.